Hey, I'm Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're ready to dip your toes or dive headfirst into affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my honest review of the Affiliate Marketeer Roadmap by Erin Bukai. And trust me, if you're overwhelmed or don't know where to start, this course could save you months of trial and error. So this is my Affiliate Marketeer Roadmap review with bonuses. So what is it? It's a comprehensive step-by-step training that walks you through how to become an affiliate marketeer, from total beginner to confidently promoting products and building passive income. Erin takes you through every stage: planning, content creation, list building, traffic, and even automation. Let's start with the planning stage. You start with the fundamentals: what affiliate marketing actually is, what an affiliate link does, and why pretty links matter. Spoiler alert, ugly links are out. Smart tracking links are in. He also gives you a Google Forms template to help you track affiliate programs you want to promote. No more sticky notes and scattered spreadsheets. Now let's move on to the content stage. This part really clicked for me. Erin teaches you how to turn your personal experiences into value-packed content, whether it's blogs, videos, or both. You'll learn how to brain dump everything you know and then turn that into a long-term strategy that builds trust and authority over time. This is the list building strategy. This was a light bulb moment for me. When someone buys through your link, you don't always get their contact info. So Erin shows you how to offer a free bonus and collect their email address beforehand. Genius. This way, you're not sending traffic, you're building an actual relationship. Now, here's where things heat up. He gives you 3 simple but powerful traffic rules. Get in front of people's audiences, make yourself known, build genuine connections, and no, not with spammy DMs, thank goodness. He also teaches you how to repurpose content into blogs and videos and more, plus how to create a library of questions so you're never stuck for content ideas. Now let's go on to automation and funnels. Ready to rinse and repeat? He's got you covered there too, with an over-the-shoulder funnel build tutorial and more on using tracking links smartly. One of my favourite parts, which I believe encourages you to take immediate action, is the free 5-day challenge. The challenge is simple but powerful. Pick one product, become an affiliate, and create content around it. And it's great because you're just doing one thing. Don't overcomplicate it. And that's it, no faffing about. Then we have bonus modules: YouTube SEO, how to rank on page 1 instantly with low competition keywords; video editing tutorials, great if you're new to editing. I skip this because I'm already creating content my way. Traffic mastery course, a goldmine on organic traffic, podcast opportunities, YouTube, and more. Facebook organic client acquisition. That's big words, isn't it? Honestly, this is such an important module. He shows you how to optimize your profile, find groups, and add value, so you attract the people without pitching in their DMs like a weirdo. And finally, yep, I've got bonuses too. If you sign up using the link in the description below, I've also got some exclusive bonuses to help you get started, especially if you're new to navigating the online business jungle. And if you sign up to the all-in-one marketing software called System as my affiliate, I offer a free PDF and course to help you get set up on System. And I'll also support you with a free one-to-one Zoom call with me to help ensure that you get set up without the stress. I'm back. So final thoughts. If you're serious about building an affiliate income stream and want a roadmap that doesn't overwhelm, I really recommend this course. I'm using it as part of my own affiliate journey, and I'll be sharing what works for me right here on the channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment if you've got questions. And remember, it's never too late to start something new, whatever age you are, especially when there's passive income on the line. So see you in the next one.